Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the DeWALT 12 volt cordless battery operated reciprocating saw. Okay, let's unbox. As standard, it comes in the very familiar black carry case. To protect your saw. There's your instructions. This comes with 2 batteries, very lightweight. Charging station, very light, and the saw itself, very lightweight. So you can have it in that position or in that position. So one thing to note with this reciprocating saw, you'll probably notice one thing missing, and that is this particular model isn't supplied with the blades. You have to buy the blades separately. So this was purchased from Screwfix for £129.99, but it does come with 2 batteries. There's a 70-minute charge time between batteries. It has an LED light, a keyless blade change, and all metal gearbox. So very lightweight, and it comes with 2 batteries. To purchase the blades separately, they come with a little handy box like this, and they are £21.19 from Screwfix.
If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.
So that is the unboxing today of the DeWALT reciprocating saw. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.